Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and in this video, we're making chickpea salad. So this isn't just any old chickpea salad. This is a curry chickpea salad, and I gotta tell you, it is delicious. It's got dates in it, and I think that they will surprise you. This dish is probably the easiest dish I will ever put on this YouTube channel. It is so simple. You could probably make this dish in 5 minutes. But without further ado, let's jump into it. So first thing you wanna do is open up 2 cans of chickpeas. You're gonna drain off the liquid, and you're gonna put them into a bowl. When they're in that bowl, you're gonna take either a fork or a pastry cutter, and you're gonna press them up against the sides, crushing them and kind of mashing them up a little bit. We do this because if you don't, they're gonna be rolling chickpeas, rolling off your sandwich, rolling all over the place. And also it creates more surface area, so the seasonings that you're putting in there can cover the chickpeas nicely, and it becomes more reminiscent of a chicken salad. To be honest, it doesn't actually make me think of a chicken salad at all. It's kind of like its own thing, but yeah. So once you've got that done, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is take care of the chopping. Now I know a lot of you out there, not big on chopping. That's cool. This recipe, very little chopping. You're gonna take your celery, you're gonna take your green onions, and you're gonna take your dates, and you're gonna chop them up. When you're chopping up your celery, I like to chop them up into little diced pieces because I don't want big chunks of celery. I just like getting little hints of it here and there, little crunches. The texture of the celery in this recipe is beautiful. When you're chopping up your green onions, you can really cut them up to whatever size you want. You like big onion chunks, great. You like small onion chunks, great. You don't want onions in there, leave them out. Doesn't matter to me. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna chop up your dates. I like to chop up the dates pretty small because like the celery, I just wanna get little bits and bursts of sweetness in here. It's a nice combination to have, and it cuts through some of the acid and the fat in the dish, but I don't want big chunks of date that I have to chew on. So now that you've done all your chopping, we are on the home stretch. You're gonna take the rest of your ingredients, put them into the bowl, mix them around, you're gonna toast some bread, you're gonna cut up some tomato, maybe some avocado, you're gonna slap that on the bread, you're gonna throw the chickpea salad on, and done. You're gonna eat it just like that. This is an amazing lunch food. See, for me, when I went vegan, I was kind of missing sandwiches. My whole life, I've been a huge sandwich guy, but when you take out the meat and you take out the cheese, you're kind of like, what do? What is there to do? This is what there is to do. This is one of the most delicious options for a sandwich. I would love to know what your favorite vegan sandwich options are. If you have a favorite that you want to share, put it in the comments below and let me know. Maybe I'll make a video about it. Or if you have a desire, you have a request and want to see how a certain type of vegan sandwich can be done, any ideas, let me know. All of my great ideas come from you. Who am I kidding? Tons of them come from me. Now, if you like this video, like it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. You'd be crazy not to. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.